Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from ATWP blog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how can you enter your cPanel control panel. For entering your cPanel, you need to go to your domain name and then go to port 2083. When you enter this URL, you will redirect it to your cPanel login page. Then you can put your username and your password, which I have logged in before and I saved my password in my browser. But for the first time, these inputs are going to be empty for you. You can also change the language of your control panel over here. After you put your username and password, you might need to click on log in. And now you can see that I'm inside my control panel. Thank you for watching this video.